Isn't it very nice to see you again today, darling? Oh, and your mate right up there. And how are you today? You look very beautiful. Are you going to come every day now to say hello? And is your mate a bit shy? Hello. Hello, darling. Are you going to come down and say hello too? Is he going to come down and say hello as well? Is he? I hope he is. Who's very beautiful babies, aren't you? These are very beautiful babies. Sue is going to be so jealous. Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy. You going to come down too? Come and say hello. Come and say hello. No, Andy. You're so bloody gorgeous. You really are. And thank you very much for coming back today.